Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll go over how to change FIDO eSIM plan online. So now let's begin. So to do this, what we need to do first is open up our web browser and search for FIDO eSIM. Now log into our account. Once logged in, go to Usage and Services tab or Manage Plan. Here, you want to change your plan. So look for the option to change your plan. Browse through the available plans and select the one you want to switch to. Now follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your plan change. You might need to review and accept new terms and conditions. So complete the process and wait for a confirmation. So by following these steps, you should be able to change your FIDO eSIM plan online. And that's everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.